guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So for today's video, I wanted to show you guys some items that I got from ROSSELY, and I really hope that I'm pronouncing her name right, but her name is Nails by ROSSELY, and you can find her on Instagram and YouTube. She haven't posted any new content lately, I don't believe, because she's getting ready to take clients, so you know, all of that stuff takes time. So I will leave her links and her YouTube, her Instagram, and her shop down below. And I'm so excited for this video because I wanted to purchase from her like the second I seen her announce that she have a shop, so I finally got the opportunity to do that. And here's a look of her business card. It's super cute and I love her logo. I'll make sure to leave all of her information down below. And before I even start opening up everything, I just wanted to say her packaging is just super cute. Like, the packaging just makes you want to order even if you don't know what's in it. But yeah, so the first thing I'm going to show you are these fall leaves, and I didn't order this, so she put this in there as a free gift. And if I'm not mistaken, if I remember correctly, I believe her website says you get a free gift with every order, so that's so sweet of her. And then also this rose brush, I didn't order this either, so she put that in there as a gift for me, and I just want to say thank you so much, ROSSELY. That was very sweet, and this brush is super pretty. I really love the rose look to it. Like, it's just super pretty. Now going on to the stuff that I ordered, I did order her monomer because I was curious to like see if it was like a little older, and I actually really liked it. So this was packaged very well. Like, I was struggling so hard to get off this tape, but that is a good thing because you don't want spillage, especially monomer. Like, that will have the entire package like just so messed up. So once I got that off, I'm gonna show you guys the look of it. So now that I have this monomer open, here is a look of her monomer. I really love her packaging. It's just super cute, like her little logo with the flower. But here is her EMA monomer. Anywhere that you purchase monomer, make sure that it is EMA. You never want to get the MMA. That's very harmful to your nails. It will mess your skin up from stories that I've heard, and I heard that it's like illegal to sell in the United States, so make sure to stay away from the MMA monomer. And I did smell it. It didn't smell too bad. Like, obviously it smells like monomer, but it's not to the point where it's like really strong. So you know, monomer smells can get a little irritating. It's like strong and stuff, so I was really happy that it wasn't that strong. Now moving on to the acrylic. So this is the fall collection, I believe. I'm not sure if this all of them. I cannot remember. I ordered this like a week or two ago. But yeah, here is the look of her jars. This is a 1 ounce jar, and this is her fall collection. So when I open this, it does have a little spill proof top, but I did get a little bit of spillage, but it doesn't really bother me because like I just put that back in the jar, and these were filled to the top, so I wasn't really worried. But this first color I'm showing you is called Pine, and it is a gorgeous green. The next color we have is called Mustard, and what I like about these colors is that all of these fall colors have like a very like shimmery look to them. I'm not sure if she added glitter in this, but all of these were just super pretty. And what I did like about the fall colors as well, even though it's for her fall collection, you can wear these throughout the entire year. But yeah, this mustard color is a very pretty yellow. I did like all of these colors. Like, I just love them so much. And also, before I get too far in the video, I do want to say that I was talking while I was recording this video, and I'm a hand talker, so I was moving my hands like very weirdly, but I didn't like the audio of it, so I'm here doing a voiceover now, and I just wanted to mention that. But the color that I just showed is called Fall. And now moving on to the last color that I got from her fall collection is called Pumpkin, and it's like a orangish, yellowish, brownish, like all mixed together. Super gorgeous. And now let's get into the other acrylics. So for these acrylics, these are like her glitter acrylics. I'm not sure what the collection is called, or if she just have like just glitter acrylics, but let me just tell you, these were all so pretty, and like I just love them so much. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So the first color I'm going to be showing you is called Sugar, and like I mentioned, these are her glitter acrylics. So all of these are based in clear acrylic, and this one is just like a very fine glitter mix, almost like an iridescent. Those glitters you typically see called pixie dust. Yeah, that's the best I can describe it. But the next color I'm going to be showing you is called Unicorn, and this one has more of like chunkier glitters in them. Super pretty. And I will swatch these, of course, at the end once I show them up close to you guys. But yeah, this one has some very pretty pink and white, a little bit of orange in there. The next powder I'm going to show is called Sunset, and this one definitely has to be one of, actually I can't even pick a favorite because all of these are just so pretty to me. Like, I just love glittery nails. Everything glitter I am totally obsessed with. In this one we have some orange glitters and some pink glitters. The next color I'm going to show is called Mermaid, and this one was a very pretty one. So we have like some blue, green, a little bit of turquoise glitters in them, and this is more on the chunkier side with glitters. Super pretty. And yeah, not too much is going on. I'm just showing you guys the acrylics up close. I will swatch them like I mentioned. So yeah, I'm not really gonna talk too much, just name the colors and say my opinion on them. But this color is called Lemonade, which is of course a yellow. These are really fine glitters, super pretty. And I did weigh some. I was trying to like mix the glitters on the top, just shaking them a little bit, but I ended up spilling some on my hand. And the last color I'm gonna show is called Bubblegum. What's funny about this, in the video while I was talking, I kept saying bubblegum, but I realized there is an N on the end instead of an M. So yeah, this color is called Bubblegum. And it has some chunky white and pink glitters in them, also a little bit of finer pieces. Super pretty color, and once again I have to mention how perfectly these glitters are mixed. Okay, so moving on to the part that most of you has probably been waiting for. I'm just gonna set everything up to be swatched, and I'll show you everything that I'm using. I'm going to be using my Crown Dappen dish, and of course I'm going to be using her EMA monomer. I'm just pouring a little bit into my Dappen dish, and I'm also going to be using my pana brush. This is the size 8, and I got this from Amazon. I'll link that down below in case you guys want to check it out. But before I swatch these acrylics, I'm just going to go ahead and prep my brush. And to swatch these, I'm going to be using my stiletto swatch sticks. I get these from Amazon, and I'm going to be swatching these acrylics in the inside. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up the acrylics for easy access, and then I'll get to swatching. So I'm going to be swatching her fall colors first. I'm going to be swatching them in 2 groups just like I showed them. So the first bead was a little bit dry. I didn't know what to really expect. So the first few beads was me just getting used to her powders. Of course, it's different like consistencies with every brand. So yeah, I was just getting used to it. But once I did get the hang of it, they were easy to work with. Like, they weren't chalky, they wasn't watery either, like runny either. So I really like that about it. You just have to kind of get the perfect powder to liquid ratio for you. It's different for everybody in my opinion. So yeah, I'm just working with it, and this is that first swatch. Very pretty, and like I mentioned, it does have like some little iridescent glitter, like a shimmer to them. So this video is sped up, but for this I will slow it down and put it at regular speed so I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So for this speed, I did sit it there and wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, it didn't move until I put that extra monomer there, and I really like that about it. I really hate running acrylics. Like, it just gets messy, and sometimes it's a lot harder to work with. So I really like that it doesn't move unless you move it yourself. So based off my experience with these acrylics, I will say these will be very good for beginners. And here is how that swatch look. Very pretty. You can't really see the little shimmers on camera, but you can really see them in person. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the rest of the fall swatches, and I will pop back in once I'm done. So here's the last swatch. I'm not sure what that is. I believe the monomer like is stuck to the paper, or I'm not sure, but here is the 4 fall color swatches, and all of these are just super pretty. I'm really amazed at the consistency and also the coverage. 10 out of 10. These acrylics are just super pretty. So let's go ahead and get right into the glitter swatches. Oh yeah, I did go ahead and label these because I do plan on keeping these. Usually I swatch like stuff and I throw them away, but I plan on keeping these, so excuse the messy handwriting, but I'm gonna keep them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set everything out for the glitter acrylics, and I'm just gonna swatch them the same way that I did the fall collection. So these colors are not in the same order that I showed them at first, but I believe this is the bubblegum color, and this has some very pretty pinks in them. And honestly, I just love pink nails and I just love glitter nails, so this one was the perfect mix of glitters. And I just want to say that the glitter and powder to ratio with these acrylics are perfect. Like, these didn't move with 2 little beads. I was able to cover this entire swatch. Here's the top view. You can't really see it how it looks on the bottom view, of course, because that's where I put the acrylic. But here is the next color, and I'm looking at the swatches, and this is the unicorn color. And this one was also a very pretty one. Like, she really did her thing with these. Like, I just can't get over how perfectly these laid. Like, it wasn't runny at all, and I just wish you guys would order these so you can see for yourself. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and finish the swatches. If I have to mention anything, I'll pop back in. So for this next color, it is called Sugar, and what's funny about this is I actually wanted to kind of recreate a color like this because I seen this picture on Instagram. I wanted to recreate it or get some inspo from it, and they had like this pretty glitter on there, and I actually ordered some glitter from Secret Nail Affair to try to recreate that color. And this was literally what I was, it may not be exactly, but it was close enough. So I may use this instead of trying to create my own. So I was really happy that I got that one. Okay, so I just wanted to pop back in to see if you guys were enjoying this video so far. Comment down below if you are. I know some people find swatching videos satisfying, so hopefully this one was satisfying to you as well. And make sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Yeah, so this is the last color, and I will say while I'm here is that I did a nail set. I was gonna put it in this video, but we're already at 13 minutes and it will be a lot longer if I add it in the nail set. So I'm just gonna wait and post that tomorrow or Friday or maybe Saturday, I'm not sure. But what I do know is that whenever I post that video, it won't have a voiceover to it because tomorrow is Thanksgiving and I may not have a chance to do the voiceover, so I may post it tomorrow or Friday like I said, and I'll just let you guys enjoy the watch me work of it. So here are all of the colors side by side, and honestly I love her acrylics so much. I will be purchasing more from her when she come out with something new. I really hope she come out with pigment powders, like actual colors. It would be really pretty to see her with some nudes on there and like some really bright colors, some colors that no one's seen before. So here's the glitters up close and the fall colors. I did label all of them as you can see. So here's the underside, and you can see them a little bit better just because that's where I actually put the product to. And over the top, I did add a top coat and cured them for 30 seconds. So that's how everything looks. I just absolutely love these powders. 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. Like I said, I will link everything of hers down below, her Instagram, website, everything, so make sure to go check her out. Comment down below your favorite color color from these acrylics? I really would like to know. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.